So a couple of weeks back, I had someone approach me. They weren't a client because this would never float with our clients, who purchased a property and they hadn't done a building and pest inspection. And it wasn't like the property was a brand new volume build out in Charlemont that was brand spanking. It was an older style property, a low set, 3-bed, 2-bathroom, brick veneer home, I believe that was built in the 80s. These types of properties, wear and tear, and really important you do a building and pest inspection. So naturally, I was a bit shocked to the core that they'd gone ahead and purchased the property without a building and pest inspection. They weren't builders, they weren't tradies, and certainly we always advise our clients, even if they are of a professional standing as a builder or a tradie, it's always handy and certainly advisable to do a building and pest inspection to understand the structural integrity of the home we are buying, potentially what is subfloor, what is in the roof, potential water damage in the bathroom. We know that there can be water leaks, there can be issues with waterproofing and membranes, and ripping all the bathrooms up in the wet areas can be expensive, very expensive, and a very laborious thing to do if you're coming in and you're taking over this problem. We highly recommend you engage a building and pest inspector. In fact, we've never bought for a client without a building and pest report, and certainly advisable then to work through the list of major and minor defects, understand, what is something that we really need to reconsider if we are. So if you're not one of my clients and you are buying a property, please don't come to me and tell me you're doing so without a building and pest inspection, because we highly recommend on all of our deals that our clients go down this protective path and process that is so important and integral to a successful property purchase.